Hi, I'm Kees Jongenburg and I'm gonna show you something I did the last few days. I've been planning to order a 3D printer for a while, and last week I started recording kind of things I wanted to make. So if you look at things that you could do with an additive 3D printer, so broken things in the house. There I would like to draw a little penguin there. Some things around the house. This is a rubber band gun, and it's not lacking a tooth. There's some pipes for a pump system. I want to create a toothpaste extruder. Some Lego pieces that are broken. I hope to Playmobil that I hope to be able to make. I don't know, and perhaps some gadgets for my kids. So. Like I ordered the PrintrBot Jr. like 3-4 weeks ago because I wanted to have a printer and I didn't want to spend too much money on it, and I want to first experiment what's it like to have something like that. So it came in 2 days ago. I've got a picture of that. It's just a small box, quite small. You don't believe it's going to be anything useful. And well, assembly is really it's really fun. You see that there's some quality product. There's you see that the guy knows exactly, spent some time in fixing and making the right choice, making it not too hard to assemble, providing instructions. It's like Lego but for big boys. During assembly I had a few problems, well, this is part of the PrintrBot Jr. Here it is, by the way. They changed some things, so this is very attached to another. It was quite hard to get this rod in. It was, and instructions were not always the same as the videos that you can find on YouTube on assembling. I have quite a lot of Allen keys that you can see here, or you can see. I have another picture of them. I have this set of keys, but it's all not good enough. You need some English keys with American metrics, not the metric system, so well, whatever. And the package arrives in the box. It's very well wrapped. Also here again, it's like American power plugs. I don't know. I live in Europe and I don't see why I should get those plugs. But well, anyway. So yesterday I started assembling it, and this morning it was really assembled. The first thing I got to print was Jaws, I think it's called. This was the first try. Oh, like this. I didn't want to print it on the wood directly because I thought it would stick. So I first started with paper, and while Jaws is quite good, it's not flat. I tried a second one on something else, which was just too small. The third one I added some kind of mattress here, and I was quite happy with the result. What more did I go wrong when assembling? Inside there's the stepper motor controllers. I'm used to schematics where you have a small arrow in the connector, and that should show pin number 1, but it's just the opposite in this, so watch out. Some other things are a bit unclear, but overall I think it's amazing that it worked right the first time, and it's amazing. Right, so I started printing. Before I started actually printing, owning the printer, I started with designing models I wanted to create. So here's one thing I created for well, the rubber band gun you've seen earlier. So at first I just tried how to model this piece. So I use OpenSCAD, and you can really define coordinates and extrude and combine different areas. So it's pretty nice nice code. So once you've done this, I've searched for different software and to generate the code for your printer. And for now I stick to WebSniper because it was available in the Ubuntu repositories. So typically from OpenSCAD you export to STL and then you import it in here, and you can like configure like what kind of parameters you want your model to be, if it needs support or not. After that you just press the print button and it will just start printing. I can't show you that, but I have another video showing this. So the result is something like this now. I've stick this part, the small part, on top of it, and well, it compares quite well with the previous one, the previous version. So it's, let me see, the same size and everything. It's just I will have to put it here and see if it works. I guess, I don't know. This is a previous version of it. So this I printed early this morning. Well, overall I think it's amazing that you can design something and have it created right inside your home. It's really really incredible. That's what I have to tell for now. Thanks.